Experiencing call issues with Spectrum Mobile? Let's start with the basics. First, check your signal strength. Aim for at least 3 bars. Weak signal can cause dropped or failed calls. Next, ensure your phone's software is up to date. Outdated software can lead to compatibility problems with Spectrum's network. Also, verify that your SIM card is properly inserted and clean. A loose or dirty SIM can interrupt service. Restart your device to refresh the network connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off as well. This can often resolve temporary connectivity glitches. Finally, check your Spectrum Mobile account status via the My Spectrum app to rule out billing issues or plan restrictions. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, let's move to advanced fixes. Open the My Spectrum app and run the built-in diagnostic tool. It can identify common issues like SIM card errors or network conflicts. Disable Wi-Fi calling if you're experiencing issues on cellular data, as it can sometimes interfere with VoLTE. Ensure that the My Spectrum app has all necessary permissions: contacts, microphone, phone access. If you suspect a network issue, use a third-party app like Network Cell Info Lite to monitor signal metrics. As a last resort, contact Spectrum Mobile support at 1-833-742-2278 for a SIM swap or IMEI check. If you are in a rural area, confirm that there are no reported outages or tower maintenance occurring.